In a faraway land, a blessed kingdom was plagued with the ever dangerous COVID-19. The king and the queen have to hastily leave their castle to a humble abode, as the castle had to be sanitized. Days passed, and on the 13th day, the king just couldn't take it anymore. The food served was atrocious, and the king longed for something better.
It is always the same menu, each and every day. And it's not even healthy. Here, call the sorceress now. That's right.
How may I serve you, my king?
I am sick and tired of this COVID-19 menu. Present to me something majestic to it.
As you wish, my king. If you would follow me.
Your Majesty, this is where the magic happened. Please take a seat. Today, we're going to make a prawn cocktail. There are three parts in making the prawn cocktail. The first part is we are going to make a dressing. A dressing from mayonnaise, and later from mayonnaise we're going to make a prawn cocktail. The first ingredient for making mayonnaise is egg yolk, mustard, extra virgin olive oil, and make sure this olive oil is extra virgin. And we're going to stir it constantly with adding a little by little olive oil. So make sure we stir in one direction. So now the mixture is combined. We're gonna add a little bit of acidic product. Now I'm using a lemon juice. And our mayonnaise is done. The second part is we're going to make a cocktail sauce from this mayonnaise. The ingredient is chili sauce, tomato sauce, Tabasco hot sauce. Make sure you put just a little bit of Tabasco hot sauce because it's really hot. And then add out the flavor, we add in LMP sauce. Now, our cocktail sauce is done. Okay guys, now we are going to assemble our prawn cocktail. Basically, we have the four parts of prawn cocktail that we have to assemble and arrange. The first part is the base. The base is we're going to use the mixed salad for the base. So I will arrange the base first. For the base, we're using the mixed salad. Mixed salad is the salad that we can get at the supermarket. So for that, to make a little bit more exciting on our plate, we put the red color is from tomato. And I also use pineapple that we cut into cube. A little bit of capers. Next, we're going to put a prawn on our plate. Make sure we put it straight. I'm going to use the 4 numbers of prawn. We're going to put another one, the last one. And lastly, we're going to put the dressing. And finally, we're going to add a little bit of parsley on the top of the salad. That's it, the prawn cocktail. Your Majesty, bon appetit.
We'll see. Sting ako!
And that's how the story went.